Introduction: video editing is one of the most in-demand online skills today. With millions of YouTube channels, TikTok creators, online businesses, and brands needing high-quality content, the demand for video editors has exploded. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment or years of experience to start earning money editing videos online. This step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to start, build your skills, get clients, and turn video editing into a full-time income, even if you're a complete beginner. Pushpin Step 1. Learn the basics of video editing. You don't need to be an expert. Start with simple editing skills such as cutting and trimming video clips, adding text or captions, inserting music and sound effects, smooth transitions, basic color correction, simple animations, beginner-friendly editing tools you can start for free using CapCut, beginner-friendly, DaVinci Resolve, professional level, free, HitFilm Express, free, iMovie, Mac users, Canva Video Editor, super beginner-friendly. Spend at least 1 to 2 weeks practicing the basics before taking on clients. Pushpin Step 2. Choose a video editing niche. A niche helps you stand out and get clients faster. Popular video editing niches include Clapperboard 1. YouTube video editing. Vlog cutting, long-form video editing, intros, outros, captions. Cell phone 2. Short-form video editing. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, high demand. Megaphone 3. Social media ads editing. Brands pay well for promotional videos. Graduation Cap 4. Online course editing. Long videos, lectures, tutorials. Shopping Bags 5. E-commerce product videos. Simple product showcase clips. Upward Trend 6. Corporate video editing. Business presentations, interviews, marketing videos. Specializing in one area helps you charge higher rates. Pushpin Step 3. Build a strong portfolio. Clients always want to see your work. You can create a portfolio even without paid projects. Create sample videos such as edited YouTube video, a TikTok Shorts highlight clip, a travel vlog, a before and after editing comparison, a caption motivational video, a product promo clip. Upload your best work to Google Drive, YouTube, Unlisted, Behance, Vimeo, your online portfolio website. Optional. A strong portfolio equals more clients plus higher pay. Pushpin Step 4. Set your prices. Video editors get paid in different ways. Hourly rates: beginners, $10 to $25, hour intermediate, $30 to $60, hour advanced, $70 to $150, hour per video. Prices: TikTok, Reels, $10 to $50 per video, YouTube videos, 8 to 12 minutes, $50 to $200, ads, promo videos, $100 to $300 plus. Start low if you're a beginner and increase prices as you improve. Pushpin Step 5. Get your first clients. Here are the best places to find paying video editing jobs. Freelance websites: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com. People per hour. Content creator platforms: YouTube community posts, TikTok creators, Instagram influencers, Facebook creator groups, job boards, Remote.co, Indeed, LinkedIn. Simply Hired bonus. Reach out directly. Find small YouTubers and message them. Hi, I noticed your channel and I can help improve your videos with professional editing. Would you like a free sample edit? This strategy gets clients fast. Pushpin Step 6. Deliver high-quality work to keep clients coming back. Submit videos before the deadline. Ask for feedback. Make revisions with a positive attitude. Provide high-quality, clean edits. Maintain good communication. Happy clients. Right pointing arrow. Repeat work. Right pointing arrow. Stable income. Pushpin Step 7. Upgrade your skills and increase your income as you improve. Learn color grading, sound design, motion graphics, animated text, 3D effects, storytelling techniques. These advanced skills help you charge premium rates and attract bigger clients. Pushpin Step 8. Scale your video editing business. Once you start getting consistent clients, you can scale by offering monthly editing packages, hiring editors to help with workload, starting your own editing agency, creating courses, templates, selling presets or transitions. This turns your editing side hustle into a full-time business. Money bag: how much can you make editing videos online? Here are realistic earning ranges. Experience level monthly income beginner $300 to $1,000, intermediate $1,000 to $4,000, professional $5,000 to $10,000, plus many editors eventually make $50,000 to $120,000 per year depending on clients and niche. Party Popper conclusion: video editing is one of the easiest and most profitable online skills to start in 2025. With free tools, high demand, and global clients looking for editors, you can start earning money from home, even as a complete beginner. If you focus on improving your skills, building a portfolio, and getting your first clients, you can turn video editing into a steady online income stream.